Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your chat on your Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get right into the video. So first, open up your Snapchat app on the device. Once you are in the Snapchat, click onto your chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Then open the chat where you send the text. Once you are on the chat, you'll see the message that you sent. Now, click onto that message and give it a long press until a menu pops up. In the menu, you can see various options. Click onto the delete that is on the third number. A pop-up screen will appear asking you to confirm to delete the chat. Click on delete. And that's it. This is how you will delete the chat on your Snapchat. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit on that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos.